Good morning. This is Saranya S, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics from St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Huzur. I am going to discuss about twin paradox and length contraction. So this picture shows which is older. So compare two twins. One is on earth, another one is traveling to the space. What will happen in their ages? In physics, the twin paradox is a thought experiment in special relativity involving identical twins, one of whom makes a journey into space in a high-speed rocket and returns home to find that the twin who remained on Earth has aged one. This result appears puzzling because each twin sees the other twin as moving, and so, as a consequence of an incorrect and application of time dilation and the principle of relativity, each should paradoxically find the other to have aged less. However, this scenario can be resolved within the standard framework of special relativity. The traveling twins trajectory involves two different inertial frames, one for the outbound journey and another for inbound journey. Another way of looking at it is to realize the traveling twin is undergoing acceleration, which makes them a non-inertial observer. In both views, there is no symmetry between the space-time parts of the twins. Therefore, the twin paradox is not actually a paradox in the sense of a logical contradiction. There is still debate as to the resolution of the twin paradox. Einstein discovered the given mechanism as if we placed a living organism in a box, one could arrange that the organism, after any arbitrary lengthy flight, would be returned to its original spot in a scarcely altered condition, while corresponding organisms which has remained in their original position had already long since given way to new generations. For the moving organism, the lengthy time of the journey was a mere instant, provided the motion took place with approximately the speed of light. Reasoning given about the mechanism of if the stationary organism is a man and the traveling one is his twin, then the traveler returns home to find his twin brother much aged compared to himself. The paradox centers on the contention that in relativity either twin would regard the other as the traveler, in which case each should find the other younger, a logical contradiction. This contention assumes that the twin situations are symmetrical and interchangeable, an assumption that is not correct. Furthermore, the accessible experiments have been done and support Einstein's predictions. What is meant by length contraction? So look at the picture. The formula for the length contraction will be L is equal to L naught root of 1 minus v square by c square. Length contraction is basically the length measured in the rest frame of that object. It is also acknowledged as Lorentz-Fisselt contraction or Lorentz contraction and is generally only perceptible at a considerable fraction of the speed of light. The length contraction phenomenon is only considered in the direction in which the object is traveling. It's only becomes significant when the object approaches the speed of light relative to the observer. At everyday speeds, this effect is negligible for standard objects and can be overlooked for all regular purposes. The shortening of the measured length of contraction of an object moving relative to the observer's frame is given by L value. We find its length L to be smaller than the proper length L naught. If we measure the length of any object moving relative to our frame, where L naught is the measured length of the object when it is stationary. So this theory given about length contraction. Thank you.